back with a bang. Namhlanje sivakashelwe ifamily yaka-Ada. Hayibo ifamily yaka-Mofokati. Ifamily yaka-Mofokati namhlanje. By the way, igama lami uSizwe Blose, from a podcast affirmation, the #1 podcast KZN, and namhlanje sino owami sibe no AJ. I know. Sibe no AJ basivakashele namhlanje la eThekwini. Ngithanda kufika la eThekwini.
Yeah, it's so cool. We love this place.
Yeah.
Holidays la. Miknama plus tourism yala. Hlezi kuna something enzakalayo. I mean, Durban July just happened.
And manje kune what is this thing? Dandi July.
Amadandi are happening.
Yeah, man.
It's busy la.
Asibingelele sanibonani.
Sanibonani njani. Thina ithakazelo zethu akeke singene ngazo ngoba
hayi ungayishaya
clan names.
Yini abantu okay tell me yini abantu bakwaMafokati bayini
Botswana.
Yeah,
from Botswana, yeah.
The surname idume kakhulu eBotswana. So umkhulu wethu usuke eBotswana aza ngapha. So then started impilo yakhe ngapha and yeah.
So nina nizalwa iking of quiet nobabili.
Yebo.
So manje sedecide ukuthi nivalele ezinye ingane ngaphandle ningasebenzisani nazo nisebenze nodwa as a family.
Kanjani? Hayi, uyabona futhi sizibrandile la family sila iproject yethu entsha inama feature mhlambe angaki. Almost every song feature. So it's not just us, Tina, we're just promoting everyone's.
Oh bakhona bani?
Baningi futhi, baningi.
From ama-names anjengo-Blose nje.
Hayi no, sivele sayishiya kuMafokati bese safaka abanye abaningi yeah.
But asikhulume la familia. Meaning the thing in
family.
Oh, la familia, family.
In Spanish, yeah.
Oh, okay.
La familia
umndeni,
yeah.
Okay.
But imagine busy as the family. Mina ngifuna ukuyiqala back ngitshelile. Ngifuna ukuyiqala back la enilokhuza khona nenze the thing i-radio.
I-radio
Lockdown FM.
Yeah, no. It was a beautiful time.
It was.
Well, for us during the show because it helped us with singer focus. Go a lot that was happening. Besinga performing.
Yeah.
Besinga saphumi. Besibalelekile and it helped us.
Ubalo bamemncoma kakhulu wena noma usisi wakho lo omunye kwe-radio ukuthi ngathi i-future ikhona.
Kelala.
Ukelelo futhi presenter.
Yeah.
Presenter Tina says DJ.
Thatha ama-chance.
Since social media lana TikTok but yena she's a presenter.
Tell me, uyazi uzamile ukuba unique ngendlela yakho uqala this thing of DJing. I don't know what is happening now because ubuna something oyi-DJela la uyibambe kanje ushayele la ama CDJs or something. What happened? Washa what?
Ngashisa it was mina ngathi ngiyashisa hayi ukuthi ngishile.
Kwakuyi-publicity stunt.
It wasn't a publicity stunt.
No, come and tell me the truth. I know art.
It was
never stunt.
He always came up with something. I've also Tina, we've always tried to spice things up. So there's our music, there's performance. How can we elevate it? How can we make it interesting? So that's stage. So look, but hey, this DJ was on fire. DJ Magabe on fire.
Oh, and then occupy space, ne? Mapepe, my clients.
Yabo ngavela ngaba khona nawe suyangikhumbula manje ngoba because of that thing.
Kwenzeka lokho, yabona.
So hayi mara ngasha, ngishile Samuel ngasha ngayeka.
So ihamba kanjani umndeni? It's umndeni la familia. Yeah, ihamba kanjani project?
Ihamba kanjani?
It's going well so far. I mean, it's still building. We're also trying to, grow as a brand together because people know AJ and then Owami separately. But because now we also did this reality show called Born Into Fame, we just decided to,
it's a good
also
opportunity
to do the music, collaborate. And
so is it because this thing Ignina or the association with Alice capitalized King of Kwaito, sons and daughters? Let's start this thing based on that.
Yo, I won't even I can't even tell you if it's one thing or the other. I think it was just like, also it was more of a bonding thing. You know, we were bonding and we're like, oh, you like this type of music, I like this type of music, but together we like this type of music. You know, because he like does like house and Afro-tech. Piano, I'm there, and then we just decided to come together and do a 3-step EP together. So it wasn't like. Hey, it wasn't just because of association. It was just like it would be fun. Let's try it out.
So this one ihlanganisa mapama genres the La Familia. I must familiarize myself with this La Familia. Yeah.
I house, just like she said, the house, the piano.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, quite a eco.
Look at abo babes. Iko ba iko.
Hey, but tonight we're cool. So Ecom is icona, but I do manga that way. No? Right now, there was a time, but in the clubs,
yeah.
But we wanted to do a commercial album. Butsuwazi kufika la sikhulume ngengoma zethu because they have meaning. We didn't want to make just ingoma zokujiva.
Yiphi nipushayo?
Njengamanje khona ingoma bayibiza okay, we fight about this mina no wami because this is my favorite album, so mina ngizothi mina ngiphusha le yena uthi apushe le, but it's better uthi yeah abantu bazwele.
So abantu bayireceive kanjani?
Very well. We are honestly surprised ukuthi bayireceive kanje because like I said, it was the first time sisebenza sobabili, and also coming from the background last we are khona abantu sebanaba expectation. I mean ufika kanjani Don't Call Me Cafe yabo. So but for the mere fact that abantu bakwazi to appreciate the music that we ourselves produced without having to compare it none, that was amazing.
So any producer?
That's a producer.
No. We see half of the time I'm at DJs could come down. This guy ihlanganisele something bese ikhishwa that thing kuthiwe eka owami.
No, true.
Akangeni.
Yeah. No, you know, that's what I love about the show Start to Be Shooter, because you got to come into our lives and see what I'm actually a producer. These are actual musicians. So that Showmax Born Into Fame, that's what the show is called on Showmax. That show helped tell our story because it took a lot of celebrity kids or kids from famous parents. About Tenki, Pila Madlimos, Fanagari, Babrimo, you know, we all came in and told our story as the musicians that we are. And I mean, it shows Gucci, there's talent here. No.
So he's guess is Gutuza lo umuntu onjengo art.
Cool.
Yeah, 100%.
I think it's cool among city. But there's backlash. There's still a lot of backlash that we deal with. Njengamanje, sekuphuma list besikhuluma of air ukuthi sekuphuma list.
Hayi, by the way, ukhona owami kwi list.
Ukhona owami kwi list.
So
I'm sure nani khona kwi list.
No.
Oh, anikho kwi list.
No, asikho kwi list. But ukhona owami.
So fun, I know.
How you don't know?
Abakutshelanga. Didn't you apply?
Yes.
No, so apply.
You did.
Yeah, we applied. We all applied. Yeah.
Iphumile list, and I'm so glad.
Ima owami ukhona. Wena ukhona.
Hey.
U-art ukhona.
Yes.
Mina ngikho.
Apply.
Did you apply?
Yes, I did.
Apply.
Get that. But
I conversation.
Yes, guys.
No, sorry to interrupt, but I like the fact that by Kipili list, because for a long time, igama lethu was dragged. Mayphuma list kwathula ngegama lakababa, because there was so many other beneficiaries that got so much more than we did. Bona bakhuluma. Have you noticed good?
You call it any wrong as a family or
how?
I'm just checking. You call it any
Not at all.
No. This one.
Sorry?
Inenzo outdated. I enjoy Mofukata no, it's not on.
Nothing.
But no, it's fine. Hopefully izinto isizohlangana nathi sikwazi uku-apply siyithole lezi zinto as you did.
Please apply. These opportunities were created for us as entertainers to be able to carry on, because COVID was heavy for us.
Yeah.
So stop perform. I mean, before those things came out, you remember there was a DSP called Jukes. Jukes,
Oh,
remember
yes, Jukes,
where
Jukes,
we got
yes.
an opportunity to perform, but they was patala 1.5.
Like it was,
And it was
very little.
nothing. And in that week, as a performer, all you made was that 1,500. Because we were not popular for releasing music. We were popular as entertainers, among people stage, because we were focused on making Imali to through our bookings. So music we would release now and again. But yeah, but after those opportunities came, we applied like every other entertainer at that time, and we got what I believe was due to
These people banjela ukuthi applyan or kubonakala kuphi, because a majority of the people they don't even see those whatever adverts
No,
at
definitely.
invites ukuthi ba
That's
apply.
very true. I think I don't know why these things sometimes you know feel like our market or the way that they should be marketed. But if you as an entertainer take yourself seriously as a business person and follow this right social media platforms, because they post these things on the platforms. Now, ENAC, PSP, presidential that program, Puma, they post, and then there's people that apply, and then there are beneficiaries. Some people don't apply.
Yeah, I think it's also similar to how there's now this conversation going around as like, I've seen a lot of like artists say that guys, you guys need to learn music. You need. Some people don't even apply for like your Samros and all of that stuff.
Most of the artists but enjoy it studio. Studio as if
And we
life
love music.
as if life kala uphelele futhi studio yabona. So esandaba sampling, marketing.
Yeah, there's not a lot of other things.
Size la nge-radio tour imali yethu yona le 20,000 le bathi itholile siyenze in nuts busy ngayo sisendleleni, we are knocking on doors.
But are you happy with the Katie Mackenzie so far as the minister? Uza naye, uza
happy.
Yeah, I think I'd like. This is so embarrassing, but I don't know much about politics.
No, it's not politics, it's the minister.
Okay,
Yeah,
but
but
okay,
okay,
I get that level, ne?
Yeah.
But even on a level where we have access to him on social media as youngsters, where we can see him that active.
Okay, then yeah,
and so
then
on,
he
I
is
appreciate
definitely
that.
doing.
Because it means when something
good
comes
job.
out,
Yeah.
a lot more people now
will
know
be
about
aware.
this. Because
Yeah.
in a way, he's become an influencer and is influencing for the department, which is great because it means lama opportunity.
People can see
People
these
will know about
things.
them.
Yeah. Now people are being educated.
That
Like,
I love,
now
man.
this needs to happen if you want to gain 1, 2, 3.5. So.
And he's trying to level the playing field. You know?
No, true. Which is fair.
It's like half of the time there are people abalele behamba siye France sosafuthi wafana siyakuphi so wafika yena uyabuza ukuthi why nina.
Whereas ama athlete ayasogola kuya njengale ndaba leya kaMakhazi. But then also that was clarified ukuthi the department was supporting Makhazi, so a different story. But yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy with him so far.
No, something like that. By the way, sahleli no Owami and AJ bobabila bakamofukati ngeproject abathi La Familia. And I got it right this time.
Yes, you did.
I got it right this time. They are here, we're talking about this and that in as far as the arts, music, art is concerned. It will yazi into enjoy kakhulu iset yakho inauguration of the president.
Yeah.
And lapho you were good, eh?
Thank you.
How I
thank
shine.
you.
But wawula excited.
Mean,
Yeah.
I'm not bodyguard something. So bonu bengigqoka ama-suit vele mina.
And yazi wangithetha isikhathi ukuthi ngibone ukuthi wena ngayithi bodyguard ensini. But he said why iset yakhe yadlala ku TV sayibona yabo. Not that I was there but ngayibona iset ku
Oh,
TV.
yavela ku TV.
Really?
Yes, I will.
Even.
Oh, that's why we got trend.
Mina ngizokwazi kanjani. Yeah. When I was a space when uthi ayidlala for 15 minutes. So uthi akushintshe phela kuze nawe.
Oh no, we've got a very good relationship when it comes to the set. We don't plan our sets.
Yeah.
So there's times where she will leave me because she will see what I'm vibing, and then there's times where I'm like, Lana, it's a big stage. Or I mean, she's gonna do more than me just playing. She's gonna go there and she will dance and she will entertain much more. Yeah, so I did play with her that time.
Yeah.
But I mean, that was her time. That was her time.
Yeah, it always switches because sometimes it'll be like, this crowd, he probably knows it better, you know.
Yeah, so we balance.
Yeah, we
we know each other.
So music can you keep it man? You tell how many tracks?
6.
6 utarget your target audience.
Yo,
Our target
I mean,
audience is anyone
it's
who listens to dance music, anyone who wants liberating music, because there's we have Imoja, it's a very liberating song. We have Amasango, which talks about Uvula Masango, coming back to God. We've got Omakelo. Okay, Omakelwane is a very controversial song.
Your favorite ka Owam la?
Yeah.
Eyakho.
I love you again.
Yeah.
There's love songs. It's a nice song, but we told our story
EP,
in
yeah.
that EP. Yeah.
So uyaphila kuwo wonke umuntu wase South Africa.
Yeah,
So to speak.
if you ulaleli piano, ulaleli house, or musical, just musical
Just, yeah.
music.
So ningathi nina kunibeke kwi-advantage anethize ukuzalwa u-Ada usho njalo.
100%. Let's be honest, Babsis. If he did not have your contact, I wouldn't be sitting here right now. I wouldn't be sitting here right now.
No, true.
Nangivulele, I got ngatholi escort from lapho phansi basilanda basithatha njengama superstars. Afika shama welcome videos, offer romance. We got a nice treatment, you know. And you can't say it's because of anything me or my sister has done. You know, maybe you like you see you know of his stuff, but the truth of the matter is it does play a role in us getting access to certain things.
A very huge role. Yeah.
But nama individuals awu-2 ahlukene ngithi
Kakhulu.
enithanda into ezihlukene.
True.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba enhlanganisa umuntu ngiyayithola nje isikhathi sokuthi ayi manje sengu AJ without Owami. Manje sengu unayi boyfriend.
No.
Hey, Melin,
Yo, just watch the show.
Yeah,
Just watch the show.
This niggas in their life.
Yeah.
Because it wasn't just a music thing, it was
It was-
a reality
very-
show. They go into your personal life.
Lives.
And
So all of that information
kuthukana
is
nabanye
there.
abantu because bamtshela ezinye izinto badakiwe nabo izinto eziningi, so it's yeah. Mara, I'm glad she doesn't have a boyfriend, so she can focus on her career for now. And then uzomthula msekade
When we time to sushi to Ada wameza umkhulu. Ada umkhulu manje. Ukhopha kanjani?
mina ukuba baba. I mean, honestly, the toughest thing right now.
No sengisho kwi relationship yakho no Owami
Owami.
because for sure uba bored mhlambe bena bese uyoba busy ngestuff sakho
Oh, true.
usumshiya yena.
No, wami ngiyambora kakhulu wami. I'd like to be a bigger brother.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes I act like ubaba miyangekho yabo, and I'm sure sometimes yambora little. So there's a gap, and we live different lives. And yeah, mina wami wathola amagig, ngimconfront that ukuthi wena muna amagig awungibizi.
Oh.
Wangibizi ukuthi ngize esibhuku wakho ngizobukela or yini oyenza mhlambe amagigina mina ngayazi.
No
Yabo.
way.
So it's yeah, there are differences, but we're siblings and we have common.
Manje sina ama price family.
I'm a booking rate or I'm a price.
Ama booking rates family.
It depends. It depends on where the gig is,
Yeah,
the type of
no, but
gig.
we still-
we have, yeah.
It's still nice. We're
yeah.
not there. It's sakivela. We're very affordable.
Serious.
Now ngase
Very,
buka
yeah.
mhlambi nomhlanje mune venue siyafika.
And we'll do our best. Doesn't matter.
It's okay
Even
for the amount, the value. It's too much. It's too much. The package. Sometimes misifuna ukucharge kakhulu sifaka nobaba ukuthi ngisiza nobaba vele.
Yabona.
Imali ephezulu but 100.
So yasibaleka le family.
I think it's La Familia for fun. It has worked for us, and it's also us paying homage and you know being grateful for the platform and that we have. We're not gonna hide it in actors.
And I think usually TV yenza wonders for you guys.
No, true. Bookings have
Yeah.
gone up.
100%.
Sometimes people in these platforms just open the door because they want to talk about the show.
Sure,
Yeah.
yeah, true.
It's brought a lot of
It's also
attention.
like a
I'm
new
following.
target, like audience. It's it's a lot.
Kwaba easy ukuyihlanganisa. I think into yabantu ama celebrities ihambisana nama egos athize
Yo.
ukuthi uhlanganise your tiras,
Yo.
actors,
Yo.
madlingos
Yo.
of this world.
No, you know, it was an interesting show. It was very interesting to see because we saw Guti Sonke Safari. we all have similar common ground. Ama story wethu mongawubukela
It's very similar, yeah.
Yeah.
I hate
It's
to
also
say
very
this, but it's
different,
like yabona when they made the pastor's kids type of and then they realize with the similarities man kula bantwana. You know, same with us. There's similarities in our characters, and we also only found out once we got into the show. Good how, kanti no mntwana ka umam azanya msaka nayo yenza kanje. Sonke musenza kanje.
Yeah.
You know, and it's because of being under the shadow. It's because of having to prove yourself. It's because of sometimes not feeling like you are enough. It's because of all those things. And it was nice to also come together and have, you know, again, common ground.
Yeah, no imnandi ngicabanga lento ke manje ukuthi izinto ezithandayo ayi Pirate fan or Chiefs fan.
Lamakhala lawa sawachuzanga ngemistake. Oh, but you are not here.
No, I am. It's Kalalo. Yo, wait.
Oh, she's here.
I will support the Pirates.
We're here.
I had no choice.
And something I want to double check is, are you a Pirate fan or because of your time? I know Art is supporting the Pirate through and through.
Yeah, mine is, I think I'd say it's definitely more of a nurture thing. Not only my dad, also my grandfather. Yeah, like my whole family in jail. So it was just like, oh, okay.
It was not a choice.
Yeah, it was a choice.
Okay, and Pilum Art.
Tina.
The independent and Pilum Art because Gasama message was everything. It's like the Pilamishan. It's not something of that nature.
I see TikToker in a follower. I 1 million.
Wow.
Ubaba Arthur actually I'm a piano best female DJ in which was 2021 2022.
Arthur doesn't set himself on fire.
As she said, praise the stage. There are things that we also do, you know, even apart from music that we do. But when we come onto the musical platform, obviously.
Yeah, I think I wouldn't even say it's because of him and like he's the one that kind of pressured us into it, but also when you grow up in that space, it's very easy. Like I tried to run away from it. I don't know if you did, but I was like, yo, I'm gonna be a doctor, I'm gonna be a lawyer, I tried everything else, but somehow all my hobbies outside of school just took me in that direction. And then one day I found myself going on TV and
Rest was history.
the rest is history. So yeah.
So manje awucabanga ukushada in the near future?
Hey, cela ukuthi ngibukele show.
Ngiyajumpa manje ngijumpa ezintweni ezisezaba
that's
ishow.
true because some things it's hard to talk about because like we had to confront the fact that for example I wanted to get married but I couldn't because mina ubaba ngihlawule just 4 or 5 years ago. So isibongo some Africa I just got onto it now. Which is my mother's surname. So in the show we tell the story okay now I had to come, we had to go there at my big age and attend the lesson to this bag in this born, and then also it's been like 3 years, 4 years, and we spoke about that on the show, which we've been engaged for 3 years, 4 years.
No muntu
yes. And I had to talk about the reasons why that is, and it was very uncomfortable. I mean, if you're gonna do a reality show, you must tell your truth. You must tell your story. You know,
nothing but the
truth. Because you said, you know. So it's a bit.
So uyacabanga ukushada?
For me.
No worry, awani yabusetepeni. Umfonele bese uhamba. I'm sure uzobona ama numbers.
I don't know, it's not something that's in my head, but if it happens, it happens. I'm not opposed to it, but
Really?
yeah.
I always thought you wanted to get married.
When I was in a relationship.
Okay, ingenzeka washawa umjolo. Bathi umjolo uyahate.
Yeah, no.
Yawuzima umjolo. But hopefully uthi uthe morning person or umuntu
Yeah, no, I'm a night person. Definitely not the morning.
Yeah, very.
That's why you had to leave very early. Sorry to interrupt you. It was a KZN and
Yeah, I didn't sleep.
Because she's alive at
I only slept in the car on our way here, so at around like 4 a.m. But if I'd slept at midnight, I was not gonna wake up more too. I was not. trying to.
So kukhona mhlawumbe lenzo bendlala khona nje nikhona cause live ku TikTok njengamanje kukhona la enzo bendlala khona ezilise Durban or uzo promote nje ila familia.
Yeah.
We do have a gig that is confirmed for today.
Lega dog.
Dr. Pen.
Wednesday, Zinde.
Wine Wednesday.
Yes. So we're definitely going to play there.
I have to buy leads now. When I was still young, I enjoy Wine Wednesday. But I'm not. Dad Khalil. Mhlawumbe ngalezi ayikhathi kwakumnandi yabo.
Okay.
Sasiya emaphathini siyo enjoy yabo. Uphuma uhambe manje laba manje bayabheka ukuthi uzogoduka nobani yabo kunaleyo pressure yabo. Thina manje sazizela ukuzojabula.
Yeah. So we actually came here to do like radios and push media stuff, but then we're not opposed to gigs. So if you guys would like to book us, we're here till Sunday.
Oh, till Sunday.
We're here till Sunday.
I'm sure you will get some gigs. We do dope food. Abaphathi bethu lapho. Abaphathi bethu. Athi abaphathi ngishothe AJ nawe owami.
Hey, do you wanna go first?
You go first.
I mean, firstly, ngifuna ukubonga nje just for the platform, the opportunity, wonke umuntu that just has given us hospitality la, and just in futhi in case that sithanda ukudlala la man, we always see vibe, energy, ngicela ukuthi yeah nisithathe as abantu benu. And yeah, I mean, we enjoy this place, and also, man, please listen to Ila Familia, available on all streaming platforms, and yeah, keep doing what you love.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for having us. We're gonna enjoy our time this side. I hope the beach is waiting for us.
Yes, and condolences to the flames. We read about these things on the and how bad is it?
Very bad. I think Ubani Minister something was attending to that the day before yesterday. Thulasizwe Buthelezi, as well as the Premier. I think ihambile yabona and stuff. Into serious, eh?
Yeah, no.
It's one of those things, though. What can we do?
You know, but
as I'm born, I'll call. I just.
Mina.
I'm just. No, it's wrong, Unkulunkulu. I get to call I thank God and all. Now, and call.
No, I'm a Christian.
That's strong.
Yeah, I'm definitely a Christian.
Oh, what's in him?
No. I pray. I don't go to church as much as I used. I'm not going to lie. I don't, but I definitely pray. Yeah.
What happened?
To me going to church? The gigs. Yeah, I was sleeping late and struggling to wake up early.
Kubuhlala eDurban akhona amasonto aqala ngo-2
a.m. Oh, 2 p.m.
Really? Yeah, usurestile 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Uyavuka uprepare ukuya esontweni.
Not the church I used to get. No excuse at all.
No, but thanks guys for coming. Yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hope to see you with Dancing Floor.
Definitely. Those are plans. Just for all time sake.
Let's go.
I sing a great man. Look. Ingane zingilindile. KZN, it's been real. Don't you dare do what I want to do. If you do it, please take pictures. See you in 7. It's a wrap.
Thank you.
Siyabonga.